Hey friend, OMMO sent me this blender just so I could show you what I think about it. And I really think that they did not disclose the cool mid-century modern vibes this has. Got the on-off toggle here, pulse switch, you have all the dials to get at the different speed, time that you want, and the cool thing, these blades. Look at these blades. They're just not the regular kind of blades. They're serrated. They're going to destroy fruit, whatever you put in there for your smoothie. We're going to put some ice in there. I already made some regular smoothies. They turned out great. I just want to show you how good. We are going to watch this ice get destroyed. So you saw how long I had that on for. It was nothing. And look, this is just snow now. So this thing is just like so retroly cool.